Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse on YouTube and a very nice piece of antique, high-end Indian tree porcelain china. And I make the emphasis here, this is antique and it's porcelain and it's Indian tree. Any guesses as to who it may be manufactured by? I'm sure if you're a fan of Coalport china, you're going to recognise their styling, particularly on the way they gilt around that sort of almost Greek key design. I know it's not official Greek key, but this block works very characteristic of the Coalport factory. Now, this little, probably sold as a pickle dish or a bonbon dish, has these lovely fluted scalloped rims coming up to this sort of green edged border. Not really gilt. It's not a sort of goldy gilt, it's more a sort of greeny gilt that Coalport used. On the base, we've got this lovely conserved base rim, and then the green England Coalport AD 1750 china marks. This isn't as old as 1750. They put that on all their factory marks. This probably dates from around 1870 to around 1900. Now, condition-wise, how is it? Well, got a little bit of loss of the edging material where it's been handled over the years. There is also some fine glaze crazing. Can you just see that in the surface here? It's more apparent on the white creamy background than it is where the Indian tree pattern's been decorated and enamelled. And all this decoration, you have to remember, is hand applied. This is a mini little work of art. No two of these would have been identical, but please be aware there is some crazing and little fine cracks in the glaze of this piece. But we tend to forgive things of this age and quality some of those little imperfections when we're looking at them, as opposed to a modern piece that's going to be expected to take heavy wear and daily uses. This is a pretty thing for display and collectors, really. Comes out occasionally to be used on special occasions, and it's a very practical little dish for nibbles, peanuts, bonbons, sweets, chocolates. I'm sure your imagination will run riot with the variety of uses you could put this to, but let's be honest, for the majority of its life, this is to display somewhere and just appreciate its sheer beauty. Available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website, not for a huge amount of money considering its quality, its factory and its age. The link in the description below will take you through to our website listing, so do click on that and it will take you through with all the measurements, dimensions, age details and further information on this piece. Thanks for watching.